Properties of nonmetals. Nonmetals can be found in the periodic table. All the nonmetals, with the exception of hydrogen, are clustered in the corner of the right of the table. There are fewer nonmetals than metals. Nonmetals are very poor conductors of electricity. Most nonmetals are electrical insulators. This means that they don't conduct electricity. The atoms in nonmetals are arranged so that electrons, which are negative charges, cannot move through them. And if the electrons cannot move, then no electric current flows. Nonmetals combine to make things such as plugs and electric cable coverings. One exception to this rule is graphite. This is a nonmetal made from carbon atoms. Its atoms are arranged in layers, and the electrons can move along the layers, allowing the graphite to conduct electricity. Nonmetals are also poor conductors of heat. Heat does not travel well through nonmetals, and hot particles do not pass on their vibrations so well. This makes nonmetals very good thermal insulators, and this is why nonmetals are used to make things like saucepan handles. They are not very strong or hard-wearing. The forces between the particles in nonmetals are weak, so this means they break easily. It is also easy to scrub atoms or molecules off them, so they wear quickly. Nonmetals are dull, unlike metals which are shiny. Most of them do not reflect light very well at all, and their surfaces are not usually smooth like metals. Nonmetals are brittle. Non-metal structures are held together by weak forces. This means they can shatter easily. They have low melting and boiling points. The forces which hold the particles in nonmetals together are very weak, and this means they melt and boil very easily. At room temperatures, most nonmetals are gases or solids, only one is a liquid. Nonmetals have low densities. It is clear that the gases will have a very low density, but even the liquid and solid nonmetals have low densities. Nonmetals are not magnetic. Only a few metals are magnetic, and all nonmetals are not magnetic.